What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Lady Unique, or you can call me Boss Lady. It's a vlog, hoes.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Technically, it's really not a vlog. I think I'm just gonna be cooking for y'all. So today we making oxtail. I'm up. Why? I am on Red Bull today. So the oxtails are defrosting. Damn, ain't no lights in this bitch. So we got the oxtails in the sink. Hold on, let's talk because I made some changes. So in my last vlog, I was telling y'all how I was trying to figure out if I was ready to go to Dallas or not, that I was scared and all this. Well, we made some changes. I put in my 60-day notice to move out of my apartment. So I'm so excited about that. When I say that I don't just make plans and put stuff on my vision board, I actually put action behind it. I had already started packing, which I told you on the last vlog. And then on Friday, today is Sunday, y'all. But so Friday, I went and talked to my management office, and they was so sad. They was like, "Are you leaving?" I didn't know they liked me, bitch, the way they be acting towards me. But she was like, "No, we really like you, bitch. I'm out. I'm going to Dallas." Bitch, okay. So, clearly, I need to be out of here on April 1st. So, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited, and I'm so nervous at the same damn time. So, yeah, I can't wait. So, that's the good thing about that is not only am I going to be actually chasing my dreams, living my dreams, doing the things that I want to do, I also will have, damn, bitch, look at my nails all dirty and shit. The fuck? Look like bitch don't take a bath or nothing. What the hell is going on around here? This is real life. Actually, this is black paint. Spray paint. This desk was white, and then I spray painted it with the door open, which was stupid as fuck, which caused a lot of dust to get on it. And then I spray painted again because I want to make this my vanity. And now I got black spray paint in my nails, so it looked like my nails are dirty. Bitch, I'm clean. Anyway, not only will I be able to really chase my dreams and do the things that I want to do in Dallas, I also will have a shitload of content. So y'all have moving vlogs, apartment hunting vlogs, decorated my new apartment vlogs. It's going to be so fun, and I'm so excited about it. So I got to figure out a way to keep y'all entertained from now till then. Because right now, bitch, is boring. And it is what it is. Cooking with Yolanda. Cooking with Yolanda. What's up, Kaya? Yeah, I stole your little song or whatever. It's cute. Cooking with Yolanda. If y'all don't know about Cooking with Kaya, make sure y'all go hit her up, because I hate when people use somebody else's shit and don't give them their props. Shout out to Cooking with Kaya.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. And gotta do.
I had to take that wig off because we don't cook in the kitchen with wigs. Ain't no hair going in my food. I burnt it while I was searing it. I hope it don't taste burnt. I like to sear it on all sides before I put the water in it and all of that. I'm gonna put some of this beefy onion in there. I'm starting early because my last TikTok video went up at like 11 o'clock p.m. Well, not my last one. The one before the last. I think it was the vlog. I don't know. But one of them videos went up at 11 o'clock at night. I don't want to do that today, so we cooking early so that I can have time to edit and post. And it's the hardest part, y'all. For one, I be trying my best to make the vlogs as long as I can. I want to do at least 20 to 30 minutes to build up that watch time. But I don't want to just be sitting here rambling about a bunch of nothing. Even though I don't really be talking about a bunch of nothing. I really be putting y'all in my business. But, so, what am I trying to say? Editing. So, that last vlog was like 11 minutes and it still took 4 hours to edit that down to that 11 minutes. So I'm starting early, so I should be done cooking by like 2, 3 o'clock. That way I can eat with y'all and still get the video up before 6 p.m. We aiming for 6. That video need to be live before 6. So we'll see. All right, so I ain't got shit to talk about. We'll be back. I'll probably be back when it's time to eat. Because what else is there to show y'all? Y'all already know how to cook rice. I'm making rice and beans to go with it. I ain't got no cabbage, bitch. We should go to the supermarket. I should take y'all to the supermarket to go get a head of cabbage. Or I could just easily get it delivered. I'm lazy today. I think I'm going to get it delivered. But, eventually, before I leave, I must take y'all out and show y'all El Paso. We're going to drive through the neighborhoods and show y'all how beautiful it is out here. Because it really is a beautiful city. I'm just not here for it right now at this point in my career. I have some big goals for Dallas. So, you know, maybe if I was ready to retire or something, I would probably come back out here or go to Arizona. I feel like Arizona is a good state for retirement. So I'll take y'all out to see the city. So I'm making some homemade mashed potatoes. That's the plate, y'all. So of course I already started eating and I had a whole talk with y'all, and guess what? It didn't save the footage. So what's happening is I'm recording the videos on TikTok because I got on a filter. Clearly, this ain't how my skin look. So I record on TikTok. And it's saying that it's going. It was 9 minutes and 49 seconds. I just saved it to my phone and it was 11 seconds. So y'all missed the whole conversation, which I'm going to run it back. But you know, it's not really genuine. I mean, it's genuine, but it's not the same when you have to re-record it. So basically, I was saying that to step out on faith. I do go back and watch my own videos. So I could be talking to myself or I could be talking to one of y'all. Don't allow fear to stop you from chasing your dreams. I say that because I almost missed out on my blessing a few times by allowing fear to step in. But I'm not allowing fear to come in the mix, especially when it comes to me moving to Dallas. For some reason, moving to Dallas really scares me. I don't know why. That's how I know something big is going to happen in Dallas. Because I've never been scared to move anywhere. I'm from New York originally. And I lived in Los Angeles, Atlanta, Charlotte. I've lived in a lot of major cities. But for some reason, when it comes to Dallas, bitch, my heart be pounding. Even when me looking for apartments, like I started apartment searching. And I'll go on and start searching apartments. Let's say I'll just go on and search for apartments here in El Paso. It'll be regular. As soon as I start searching for apartments in Dallas, my heart started beating fast. I'd be like, what is going on? So I feel like it's something major that's going to happen in my life and in my career. And maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But what I do know is I'm not allowing fear to stop me. I'm going. I've already started looking for places on apartments.com. And I'll probably fly out in February or March to go start looking at some of the apartments that I've already viewed. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I really wanted to sit down and eat with y'all. Do a little mukbang, you know, to add a little length to the video because we need to get our 4,000 watch hours. But I'm already full because I did this whole 9 minutes that didn't stay. But this was my first meal of the day. I'm doing intermittent fasting. Did I say it right? Intermittent fasting. So it's it was 4:19 when I started eating. It's 4:29 now. First meal of the day. Only thing I had today was water. And I'm so excited about that. I'm lying. And a Red Bull. I didn't have no coffee today, which is not the norm for me, but I'm trying to cut back on all of that coffee, especially for the sugar and all of that. And your girl is about to really go hard and getting my body together. Because when I go to Dallas, I'm going so hard. Not that my body got to be together for Dallas. It's just that I know what my goals are when I get there. And I don't want to be going there like, bitch, y'all seen the new apartment? I'm out of breath. Nah, we not doing that. So I do got to get my little shit together before I leave. Now, mind y'all, I got a little home gym. I got my rowing rod over here. I got weights. I got my jump rope. I got my hula hoop. I got so much shit that I could be using to work out, and I'm off and on with it. First of all, the mukbang was supposed to be about stepping out and chasing your dreams. Why am I talking about weight? All over the place. Spot on fave. Chase your dreams no matter what. And don't think that you're ever too old. I know one time I posted something on TikTok. And I was 47 at the time. I'm 48 now. I said something about being 47. And somebody commented, aren't you a little too old to do TikTok? I said I was full and I'm still eating. Don't ever think that you're too old to chase your dreams. And don't let nothing stop you. That's pretty much my message for today. So I cannot wait to take y'all on this journey. I hate that clip got messed up because it was so natural and genuine, and trying to sit here and repeat everything that I said. I don't even remember what I said. But that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Next video is probably going to be a story time or get ready with me or something. I do know that I want to try to push out. My goal originally was to push out a video a day, but y'all got to understand, if it's a vlog and I start recording at 10 o'clock in the morning and I stop recording, let's say I get up at 5. So let's say I start up at 5, start recording at 5 and then stop recording like 3, 4. It take like 3 or 4 hours just to edit. So the video is not going up until late at night. So that's why this morning I started at 10 o'clock this morning and I kind of made it strictly just a cooking video, because trying to vlog, edit, and do all of that and push out a video every day seemed too much. So while I was cooking, I went ahead and shot my content for for TikTok, which I didn't record for y'all. If you're here from TikTok, you already seen those videos. And if you're not here from TikTok, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I don't know how long TikTok gonna last, but while it's here, we're gonna use it to our full advantage, okay? And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.